Chapter 8, India Climate, Vegetation and Wildlife. You read in newspaper daily and watch on TV or hear others talking about weather. You must know that weather is about day-to-day changes in the atmosphere. It includes changes in temperature, rainfall and sunshine. It's for example, as such, it may be a hot or cold, sunny or cloudy, windy or calm. You must have noticed that when it is hot consistently for several days, you don't need any warm clothing. You also like to eat or drink cold things. In contrast, there are days together you feel cold without woolen clothes. When it is very windy and chilly, you would like to have something hot to eat. Broadly, the major seasons recognized in India are cold weather season, December February, hot weather season, March to May, southwest monsoon season, rainy, June to September, season of returning monsoon, October and November, cold weather season or winter. During the winter season, the sun rays do not fall directly in the regions. As a result, the temperatures are quite low in the northern India. Hot weather season or summer. In the hot weather season, sun rays more or less directly fall in these regions. Temperature becomes very high, hot and dry. Winds called low blow during the day. Let's have a fun. People in the all parts of country drink delicious cool drinks called sarbat, made from fruits available in their regions. They are excellent thirst quenchers and protect our bodies from the ill effect of the harsh loo. Have you tried sarbat and made from raw mango, bell, lemon, terminate, cocoa, falsa, watermelon and buttermilk made from curds? From example, chas, matar, mori chas adds many take bananas and milkshakes too. After a hot summer, at first rains bringing much joy. All our language have melodious songs on rains. They sound happy and bringing cheer. Learn 2 songs on rains and sing them together. Write or collect 5 poems on rains. Ask your friends, neighbors and family members for names for rains and other seasons in different languages. For instance, Varsha Hindu, Paris Urdu, Post Marathi, Borsa Bengali. Southwest monsoon season or rainy season. This rain season is marked by the onset and advance of monsoon. The winds blow from Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal towards the land. They carry moisture with them. When these winds strike, then mountains varies rainfall occurs. Season of the returning monsoon or autumn. Winds move back from the mainland to the Bay of Bengal. This is the season of returning monsoon. The southern parts of India, particularly Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, receive rainfall in this season. However, the climate sits about the average weather condition which have been measured over many years. The climate of India has broadly been described as monsoon type. Monsoon is taken from the Arabic words musicians, which means seasons. Due to India's location in the tropical regions, most of the rain is brought by monsoon winds. Agriculture is India is dependent on rains. Good monsoon mean accurate rain and bountiful crop. The climate of Palace is affected by its location, altitude, distance from the sea, and relief. Therefore, we experience regions difference in the climate of India. Jaisalmer and Bikaner in the desert of Rajasthan are very hot, while Dres and Kargil in Jammu and Kashmir are freezing cold. Coastal places like Mumbai and Kolkata experience moderate climate. They are neither too hot or nor too cold. Beginning on the coast, These places are very humid. Myanmar in Meghalaya receives in the world's highest rainfall, while in a particular year it might not rain at all in the Jaisalmer in Rajasthan. Natural vegetations. We see a variety of plant life in our surroundings. How nice it is! No, to play in a field with green grasses. There are also small plants called bushes and shrubs like cactus and flowering plants. It's besides there are many tall trees, some with many branches and leaves, they like a neem, mango, or some which stand with a few leaves, such as a plum. The grasses, shrubs, and trees which grow on their own without interface or help from human beings are called natural vegetations. Do you wonder how these differ from each other? Different types of natural vegetations are dependent on different climate conditions, among which the amount of rainfall is very important. Due to varied climate conditions, India has a wide range of natural vegetations, and of India can be divided into 5 types: tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, thorny bushes, mountain vegetations, and mangrove forest. Tropical rainforest occur in the areas which receive heavy rainfall. They are so dense that sunlight doesn't reach the ground. Many species of trees are found in this forest which shed their leaves at different times of the year. Therefore, they are always upper green are called evergreen forest. As you may notice in figure 8.1, important trees found in this forest are mahogany, ebony, and rosewood. Andaman and Nicobar Island, parts of northeastern states, and a narrow strip of western slopes of the Western Ghats are home of this forest. Tropical deciduous forest. In a largest part of our country, we have these types of forest. These forests are also called monsoon forest. They are less dense. They shed their leaves at a particular time of the year. Important trees of this forest are shagl, teak, peepal, neem, and shisham. They are found in Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, in parts of Maharashtra. Thorny bushes. These types of vegetation is found in dry areas of the country. The leaves are in the form of spines to reduce the loss of water. Cactus, bubble, caker are important and are found in the states of Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, eastern slopes of Western Ghats, and Gujarat. Thorny bushes. Mountain vegetation. A wide range of spice is found in the mountains according to the variations in height, which with increase in height the temperature falls at a height between 1500 meters and 2500 meters. Most of the trees are conical in shapes. These trees are called conspicuous trees. Cher, pine, and deodar are important trees of this forest. Mangrove forest. This forest can survive in saline water. They are found mainly in Sundarbans in West Bengal and in the Andaman and Nicobar Island. Sundari is a well-known species of trees in mangrove forest, after which Sundarbans have been named. Why are forests necessary? Forests are very useful for us. They perform various functions. Plants relax oxygen that we breathe and absorb carbon dioxide. The roots of the plants blind the soil, thus they control soil erection. Forests provide us with timber for furniture, fuel, wood, fooders, medical plants, and herbs like honey, gum, its. Forests are the natural habitat of wildlife. Natural vegetation has been destroyed to a large extent because of the reckless cutting of trees. We should plant more trees and protect the exciting ones and make people aware of the importance of trees. We have a special program like a van Mahotsav and involve more people in making our earth green.